Hello, my dears. Good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Very good. Okay, so you are ready? Let us start our class. Okay. So, which lecture is today? Today is English. Which lecture is today? Today is English. Today we learn English subject. And you know in which class you are? You are in LKG. Yes, you are in LKG. So what we have learned in English subject? What we have learned? We have learned letters A to Z. We have learned capital letter. It is also known as uppercase. Okay. Capital letter is also known as uppercase. So we have learned A to Z capital letters, uppercase letters. Okay. So today we will start with lowercase. Lowercase means small alphabets letters. Today we will start with lowercase. That means it is small letters. Okay. So which letter is this? Do you know which letter is this? Yes, this is letter A. Which letter is this? This is letter A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for ant. Okay. Now, which letter is this? This is Mama A and this is baby A. Baby A. And the sound of letter A is A. This is Mama A and this is baby A. Sound of letter A is A. Sound of letter A is A. Sound of letter A is A. Okay. Sound of letter A is A. So, today we will start. What? Today we will start to write letter, small letter A. Sound of letter A is A. Sound of letter A is A. So, today we will start to write lowercase letter. Okay. First you have to, on the top of your notebook, paper. When you are writing on the top, you have to make a like this, okay? And you have to color it. What you have to do? You have to color this letter. Okay, before starting the letter, before starting writing, you have to write letter small A, baby A. Baby A, and you have to color it. How you will write? How you will write A? How you will write baby A? How you will write? First, you have to make a half circle. What you have to make? A half circle. And standing line. Okay? And standing line. And small tail of letter A. Small A. Okay? You have to, what you have to do? You have to write half circle, then standing line and small tail. Look here, small tail is here. Okay, small tail. Okay, so which letter is this? Letter A. A. Mama A and this is baby A. So, sound of letter A is A. So, let us begin to write in lines. Okay. You know, there are 4 lines. Upper line, middle line, base line and lower line. So, always small letter, we always write small letter in 2 lines. In which line? 2 lines. Look here. two lines. A always two lines. So first look here. Middle line and base line. Between middle line and base line you have to start writing. So half circle, then standing line and small tail. And small tail. So which letter is this? Letter A. And sound of letter A is A. Apple, aeroplane, and arrow. Okay. Look here, dot is given on the middle line. So half circle, standing line, and then small tail. Okay, small tail of letter A. So which letter is this? Letter A. And sound of letter A is A. And sound of letter A is A. Again, half circle, standing line, and then small tail. A. A. Which letter is this? Letter A. Baby A. A. And sound of letter A is A. And sound of letter A is A. Okay. Again. Down we will write A. A. Sound of letter A is A. Aeroplane. Arrow. Ant. Okay. Again. Half circle, standing line, and then small tail. Okay. Which letter is this? Baby A. And sound of letter A is A. And sound of letter A is A. Okay. Aeroplane. Arrow. Again. Half circle, then standing line, half circle, standing line, and tail. Okay, small tail. Which letter is this? Baby A. And sound of letter A is A. Again, look here. Small circle, standing line, and tail. So which letter is this? A. And sound of letter A is A. This is baby A. Okay. Again, half circle, standing line, and then small tail. What you have to do? Put small tail. Letter A. Small A. Sound of letter A is A. Circle, half circle, standing line, and then small tail. Letter A. Baby A. Okay. So this is Mama A and this is Baby A. And sound of letter A is A. Okay. Again, how you will write? You will make half circle, then standing line and small tail. Small tail of baby A. So which letter is this? Letter A. Small A. And sound of letter A is A. Aeroplane. Okay. Aeroplane. Then aeroplane. Then apple. Ant. Okay. Yes. So we have completed the formation of baby A. And sound of letter A is A. Very good. So nice. So this is your classwork. What is this? This is your classwork. You have to write in your notebook. And you have to write your letter A and color it. What you have to do? You have to color this. Okay. Then next, after A, which letter will come? B. After A, which letter will come? Letter B. And what is sound of letter B is B. Sound of letter B is B. Okay. Bus. Bat. Ball. Bell. Okay. So now we will start to write letter B. And sound of letter B is B. Sound of letter B is B. Okay. So make a letter B, baby B, and color it. Okay. Before you start to write, you have to make baby B like this, and you have to color it. What you have to do? You have to color like this. Okay. And color should not come out. Then ball, bat, bus. Okay. Look here. 2 dots were given on the upper line and on the middle line. How many dots were given? 2 dots were given. So how you will write baby B? This is Mama B and this is baby B. So how you will write? How you will write? Standing line and then half circle. How you will write baby B? Standing line and then half circle. Okay. So let us start to write from upper line to base line, standing line and then half circle. B. B. Sound of B is B. Sound of B is B. Okay. Again. Look here. 2 dots were given. 2 dots were given. Okay. So first you have to write standing line and then in 2 lines. In 2 lines you have to make half circle. What you have to do? Make half circle. So which letter is this? Baby B. It's Mama B and this is baby B. And B for baby also there. Yes or not? Yes. B for baby is also there. Okay. So sound of B is B. Bus. Yes. Bell. Bat. Ball. Okay. So let us start again. How you will write? First standing line from dot is on the where? Dot is on the upper line. So first you have to write standing line and then half circle. A, look here. A will look at B and B will look at A. A किसको देख रहे हैं? B को. और B किसको देख रहे हैं? A को. Okay, so A is looking to B and B is looking to A. Okay, so standing line and then half circle. Standing line and after that half circle. So which letter is this? This is baby B. And sound of B is B. And sound of B is B. Okay, again. Yes, my sweet children, you are so good now. Yeah, so write nicely. Okay. Again, standing line. What you have to put? First you have to write standing line. And after that, half circle. After that, half circle. So which letter is this? This is B. Baby B. Small b. Okay. So sound of B is B. Sound of B is B. Bus. You come from bus in school? Yes. bell. You saw bell on the temple or in your house? Okay. Doorbell is there. Okay. Then bat. We play cricket with bat and ball. Again, 2 dots were given. How many dots were given? 2. 1 and 2. So what you will do? First we will write standing line. What we will do? We will write standing line. And after that, half circle. After that, half circle. So which letter is this? This is letter B. Baby B. And sound of B is B. And sound of B is B. Okay. Again, we will write. So write neatly. Take eraser also with you. Okay. So first, what you will write? Standing line. What you will write? Standing line. Okay. After standing line, half circle. After standing line, half circle. So which letter is this? This is letter B. Baby B. Small b. Okay. And sound of B is B. Sound of B is B. Very good, my dears. Again, look here. How many dots are there? Yes, tell me. Now you will tell me. I will not tell you. How many dots are there? There are 2 dots. 1 and 2. First dot is on the upper line. Second dot is on the middle line. Okay. Let us start to write letter B. Baby B. First standing line. And after that, half circle. What you will do? Half circle. A will look at B and B will look at A. Okay. So which letter is this? This is letter baby B. And we also call small b. So sound of letter B is B. Bus, bell, bat and ball. And baby also there. B for baby. Again, we will start to write. What we will do? First we will write standing line. And after that, half circle. And after that, half circle. So which letter is this? This is small b. Okay. And sound of letter B is B. Sound of letter B is B. Very good, my dears. Again, we will start to write standing line and after that half circle. So which letter is this? This is letter B. Small b. Okay, baby b. And sound of letter B is B. So what we have done today? We have learned to write lowercase letter. Which letter is this? This is lowercase. Okay, why it is called lowercase? Because we write it down, 2 lines. That's why it's called lowercase. And this is uppercase letter. Why they are called uppercase? Because we write on the upside. Okay? And this we write on downside. So today we have learned lowercase letter A and B. And sound of letter A is A. Sound of letter B is B. Okay? So you have to write this in your notebook. Okay? 2 lines of letter A, small a, and 2 lines of letter B. And in your homework, you have to complete this page. You have this book at your home. Look here. Yes, alphabet writing capital and small. On the page number 7. Where? Page number 7. You have to complete small letter A. Lowercase letter A. And sound of letter A is A. And sound of letter A is A. If you get time and if you want to write, you complete letter B also. Okay? and enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Complete your work. Send to me. Okay? Bye. Look after yourself.